Welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to look at the topology for our lab now. So in our labs, as I said, like FMC can control in the KVM of maximum of 2 FTDs. So I have my FTD1 over here and FTD2 over here. So FTD1 is going towards my internet, that is my ISP, and FTD is being going towards the DMZ, that is my server side. So these are the two different devices which can be deployed in the two different places in my environment. Okay. So I do have two PCs over here, PC1 and PC2, and I will create a separate policy on my FTD stating that any PC coming from the inside can go to the ISP. And again, you can implement your intrusion policy, malware and file policy, and each and every policy if you like over here. It's up to you. But basically what we are going to do is like we are going to create a separate policy here and allowing the traffic from inside to the ISP so that our PCs can communicate to the ISP. And number two is that we are going to block the PC2 to access the server over here. This is an HTTP server which is running on port 80. Okay, but PC1 should be able to access. That is a different policy. We are going to create a different policy over here. So separate. So policy number will be FTD1 over here. Okay, FTD1 policy, and we are going to create FTD2 policy. So these are the two different policies. We will be managing two different devices with two different configurations and two different rules and regulations over here, and two different policies over here which are separated. So over here the requirements are different and you are allowing some other traffic. Over here the requirements are different. Here you are blocking some traffic and you are allowing some traffic. So basically your different devices you can manage in this way. So now if you remember that we can manage up to 300 in the virtualization, and now you can imagine that how many different devices can be managed in a different way according to your requirement from one FMC. And if you're going with the physical, you can manage up to 750, and now you can imagine how many devices can be managed so easily via FMC. So this is our topology which we will be working on in this lab now. So this is the FTD1 and FTD2. This is my ISP now. As we remember, as we said, inside zone will be allowed to the ISP. My PC2 will be blocked to my HTTP server on port 80, and my PC1 should be allowed from FTD2. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video.